Assalamu alaikum and welcome. You are watching Real English News along with your host Sharif Karim Rahman. Let's have a look on today's headlines. YS Jagan leaves for Pulvinda today. Mumbai Metro Rail inaugurated route 2 and 3 still a pipe dream. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu to call on Narendra Modi tomorrow to discuss AP related issues. Let's have a look on headlines in details. YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, the YSR Congress Party president, left for Pulvinda on Thursday for the first time in the capacity of the leader of opposition. He rushed to Pulvinda from Hyderabad, then he has left for Badwell. He attended to the marriage function of Mansan Veena and Subhas Kumar Reddy. Later, he met a few important leaders of the party over there. According to the sources, Jagan will be available at his campaign office on Friday and Saturday to become near to the people of the locality. He would be holding a meeting with RWS official concerning the branch canal of Pulvinda. More items may be included in his program list as per the time permit, sources added. Maharashtra CM Prithviraj Chauhan inaugurated the much awaited Mumbai Metro Rail Warsaw on Sunday morning. The dream of a Mumbai Metro network rises crossing the city and decoasting the whole loaded public transport buses as well as the roads a way off. The Charkot-Bandra Mankad road has been in planning since 2009 and a contract was even awarded to Rinfra. But the project looks like a non-starter over environmental clearance for the depot land on either end, which fall in land under CRZ restrictions. For all practical purposes, it's unlikely the construction of this route will take off soon. Route 3 of the first phase has been redesigned too, with the debates on how much it will be underground and how much elevated, not ending satisfactory for all stakeholders. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu is visiting New Delhi on Thursday to meet Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other union ministers to discuss state-related issues. The Chief Minister will primarily take up all the issues of granting special category state that status to Andhra Pradesh and also request the centre to provide a special grant over of rupees 15,000 crores in ensuring union budget for the period of March 2015. The special grant is being sought to bridge the non-planned defect that is expected to arise between of disruptions of revenue actuals due to the state bifurcations. According to the sources in the Chief Minister's office, in addition to this, a special grant of over rupees 8,600 crores would also be sought as additional sector assistance to financial critical development project currently under execution and also meet important development needs that have arisen as a result of the bifurcation. The Chief Minister will discuss these issues with the Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. He will also raise issues like relaxing the fiscal responsibility and budget management, providing relief from repayment of Government of India loan, financial assistance for building the new capital city, key infrastructure project and national institutions. A senior CMO official said Chief Minister would also discuss the proposed loan waiver scheme for farmers within the Union Finance Ministry. Chandrababu Naidu would stress the need for creating a level playing field for growth and development of Andhra Pradesh with operating liberal financial assistance and policy support from the centre besides ensuring immediately commencement of various institutions like IITs, IIM, AIIMS and the infrastructure projects that were listed in the AP Reorganization Act 2014, it added. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Thursday asked officials of Energy Department to draw up a short-term and a long-term plans to overcome the power deficiency of the state. The Chief Minister reviewed the power situations in the state against the background of power crisis due to the intentional mischief created by the Andhra Pradesh. Mr. Rao has asked the official to inquire about the availability of power in other states for sale of Telangana along with cost and work out plans in this regard. The release quota him as saying that if required he would personally talk to the Chief Minister of the concerned states like Karnataka. He mentioned the present crisis of two types, one created by Andhra Pradesh, the other due to drafts. As a short-term measure, the Chief Minister has asked the official to work out a plan of action to overcome the crisis by purchasing power from available sources. He also indicated that they have a tie-up with states like Chhattisgarh that have rich coal reserves. The Chief Minister is likely to visit Chhattisgarh in a couple of days to personally talk to the counterpart, Raman Singh, and explore the possibilities of purchasing power from them. The effect is driven by the increased fraction of sunlight that the soil reflects back into space, or albedo, in the field that has not been plugged, which reduces the amount of heat the Earth's surface absorbs from the sun. No-till flowers are about 50% more reflective during summer. More than that, cropland, according to the measurement made in the wheat field of experiment farm side in the Provence regions of France. And that can translate into a big effort on the climate at local scales, says Sonia Senverton, a climate scientist at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technologies. The effect on extremes is pretty strong. The cooling is twice as large for a very hot temperature that has been for medium temperatures, she says. Previously, studies has concluded that cooling effect of unplugged fields was small, but the researchers generally looked at temperature average over longer periods and larger areas. Let's have a look on today's stock markets updates. India shares ended lower on Thursday with sharp fall in oil exporters after the garnering depressed a decision to hike prices of locally produced gas. Sensex for today stand with 25,062.67 with minus 0.99%, whereas Nifty for today stand with 7,493.20 with minus 1.00%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Golds, today's gold rates, that's 26 June Thursday, are as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams it's rupees 26,620. Whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams it's rupees 28,150. Silver rates for today for 10 grams it's rupees 486. Let's have a look on today's weather reports of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Mehboob Nagar minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 30 degrees Celsius and maximum 38 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 38 degrees Celsius and maximum 39 degrees Celsius. Medak minimum temperature 37 degrees Celsius and maximum 45 degrees Celsius. Khammam minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 38 degrees Celsius. Let's have a look on today's sports news. Portugal hopes hacking by a threat before Ghana clash. Portugal must win against Ghana in the final World Cup Group G match in Brazil on Thursday and hope Germany and the United States do not draw in Recife to have any hope of progressing to the last 16. Child face nemesis Brazil in World Cup knockout. World Cup favourite Brazil have rediscovered their swagger and boost a super pass record against Chile, but go into Saturday's do or die game knowing their rivals have enough attacking powers to wreck the host party. Kovic survives Bivimpton friendly fire, Murray untroubled. Top seed Novak Djokovic served a testing center code examination at the hand of close friend and veteran serve and Voila Riddick Stafnik to reach the Wimbledon third round on Wednesday. ICC Chairman Srinivasan vowed to popularize cricket. It is an honor to be confirmed as the chairman of the International Cricket Council. I will leave on a stone unturned in trying to strengthen the pillars and foundation of our sport, both on and off the field. Srinivas said in a statement issued by the ICCI, I want to see more strong teams in the international cricket. For this to be achieved, we all need to work hard to develop local talent in our countries. Naturally, there will be more support to those who first show they can help themselves. Srinivas also congratulated outgoing ICC President Alan Isaac for his contribution. Headlines once again. YS Jagan leaves for Pulvinda today. Mumbai Metro Rail inaugurated routes 2 and 3 still a pipe dream. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu to call on Narendra Modi tomorrow to discuss AP related issues. That's all in this newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.